What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
But dead. The Auntie giveaway free good art D0NNA. Me don't know who taking a scamming class. Miss D0NNA, you look like you pack up with so much. Young girl round you, them take you to scamming class. Miss D0NNA, leave scamming for young people and me. What you mean about scamming? Miss D0NNA. Miss D0NNA. The heart is good. But the giving is no willing again, Miss D0NNA, man. Lord Jesus, Miss D0NNA, then take it to the scamming class. So Miss D0NNA, you start.
Attack him and go get you now.
You go open me a wholesale, you know, Miss D0NNA? And before the people them start talking about the shop where you open and wholesale, you know, me I go say to myself, you know, them go say, I feel the money what me wholesale, you know. Yes, Miss D0NNA, you open wholesale. And you buy one car for your daughter's birthday, you know, Miss D0NNA. Remember, you're not working or you're not get no pay, you know. So when you open the wholesale and buy the car for your daughter, you know, Miss D0NNA, a problem that, you know. The people them have a boss liberty and go on before, you know, but me I tell you before it at me, you know, Miss D0NNA. Say so, yes, Miss D0NNA, and me tell you this. You want to buy a house up in the good area there, Miss D0NNA. That there was money there. That there was money there, Miss D0NNA. I $45 million for a house, you know. I mean, you know that going on because you have to go start pray and then come in like say the prayer and I read, so you decide to start should some of the money to buy one of them uptown house. Miss D0NNA, I know you're tired of the community, but let me tell you this, you know, you buy a house in them uptown here there, you know, a problem, you know, because the people are going to say, where you get them the money, you know, Miss D0NNA. So Miss D0NNA, I don't know where you think about right now, Miss D0NNA, but me see you get the house still, but Lord, you know, them the community, them something, and I can't get that the money there, you know, mama. You, me say, you, me no know. Me no know. But me a old fridge and me see and me talk. I like to read subject. Hey, Miss D0NNA. So when you buy that the house there, the uptown community there now, and buy the data, the car, and open me shop now. Me ask you a question. The people them not gonna say where you get the money, yo? And Siloni, me I beg you please, Siloni, don't come for me. Don't come for me, Siloni, because I will send a marry for you. Don't come for me, Siloni. I love you, no, Siloni. Siloni, you know I love you. Siloni, you know, say you keep down a show program. You know, say, Miss Siloni, when you go, Miss Siloni, when you go and down a show, you know, that the best time of the show, Siloni. Siloni, you mash up down a show, and I like that boy. You make that show, they go on. Siloni, let me tell you this. I have the antidote for you, darling. I have the antidote. Use not no rasma that up in the pan ya you're not a mad you mad.
Jesus.
I don't know why these people are treat you like say you're a mad woman before them carry go give one good bath and good clean and them a tell you say pill. Tap me the woman and take the one back a pill. Not a madness in the pan the woman. Them wobe the woman from her first man she did she tell with people sleep with dead Siloni look like nobody mad. Right now Siloni is sensible than a marry. If you should talk the facts. Right now, Siloni sensible than Amari. She'll lead Amari right now in a sensibility. Right now in a more sense, common sense, mighty sense, leading sense, understanding sense, talking sense, knowing sense, feeling sense, seeing sense, talking sense, comedian sense, all sort of sense, Siloni will lead Amari in a full sense. So obviously, and Siloni the pampil. And doctor, but not a mad who over the little girl who man want help. Me not gonna help her, you know. Because me not able for them come class me. But me just a send out the warning, she need help. Them need for carry one good pastor man and a good spiritual man for look after her. She take the people them man in the past and then lick her backside. That is why she's like that. She need help. And Miss D0NNA, anything you do me talk and it me no people me not bash Miss D0NNA. Me come say oh she go tile out the place and grill up all of the shop and buy vehicle. And I like me tell the people them see that happen. Me not tell no lie, me not look no hype. You know one of the problem when I say me like to seek attention. Then I won't like attention. All who come over here so we are comment and attack. No attention, the same people who care about the mix up when me talk. No, who not like attention, no gonna come here alone like it. All we love attention. But what I am saying though, me look like Miss D0NNA introduced to a new scamming class. Because what I am seeing Miss D0NNA do know, if you give, I mean that Miss D0NNA is trying to do it long time. You shouldn't do it long time. If you give Donna $10 now, she'll give her $2 no time. Give her 10,000, she'll give her $2 and save the 8. That you shouldn't do long time, Miss Donna. So I don't know why you decide now, say you're gonna start give her 2 and give it 8. When you used to give her the 8 and save back 2. Well, now you start give her the less and keep the more. Well, them the young people we have around here now, Miss Donna. Miss Donna, me tell you this. Oh, me forgot them all mix up here. Miss Donna, them are gonna be, you know, yes, you have some big woman around you. You have some big woman around you with this partner money. Money. Yes, man, them are going to juke you, man. Yes, man, some partner money problem is done, man. And you tie up some money and put on, man, and them are going to juke you money, man. And you come live, come tabo. Oh, me have the money. I want to take the money. And me call the police. Yes, me done. I see that in a crystal ball. Yes, man, me say them want to take the money. The big woman, them are going to take God off a cross and put Satan pan rod and say, Anna, them take the money. So money problem is done. Miss Donna, Anna, you know the people in my watch, everything when me chat you and tell you over here and chat you, couple months after it come true. And the people them say, Ras, Auntie, this says she don't buy a car, Auntie says she don't fix up. And I like me, I tell I'll down to your new store where you buy Donna. Me say they don't buy some more too. But you know me tell you, you're going to do now, Donna. You're going to leave the community and you're going to open a wholesale. And you're going to buy another house around the community, build it up and rent it. Boy, Miss Donna, may God bless you. And let me tell you this, Miss Donna. I see you come a foreign. I see you coming to America. This 2021, me know you have your visa, but you're going to come over here for a while, and you're going to spend a while over here, and you're going to up here for a good while, Miss Donna. Yes, you're going to up a foreign here, and yes, you're going to come for a while, and you're going to come down with your this big brand clothes, and you have a curly hair. Hey, Miss Donna, me tell you this, stop take the curly hair from the people in the over you. You know, see everybody at Ton can say, no, Miss Donna and attack. Don't make them ship no curly hair. Then we put over in the ear and put it on your head and mash up your head. So don't take no hair from nobody because me see say you like big curly hair. Stop begging curly hair them because you don't know who to trust. Tell them to give the money. No take clothes from people, Miss Donna, and no take no hair from nobody. No take no clothes from nobody. And those of who are going to say me I look at hype, fuck off.
Jesus.
Those of who say me I look at hype, fuck off. Leave me alone.
Why are you there, man?
Leave me alone. Looking at my house, expensive something. So to keep the expensive going on, I have to open my mouth. Hello? Right? You see? Expensive something. Okay? Expensive something. Alright? Expensive something. So I have to keep it flowing. Which is right. Okay?
Them one of the best, yeah, man.
Alright.
What are you there, man?
Anyway, I have somebody else I want to say now. Bloggers, I know uno going mix me and sass me, but let me ask you a question. Please, when you're editing this video, see if you can put a laughing, what do you call it, emoji, pande. When you do nothing and put it on YouTube, put a laughing face on the one say. If everyone laughing face, do that for me. That's the people that not too much bash me. So when you edit it and put on a laughing face, me get less negative comment. Can't do that for me. Because when them don't season my ass and class me, and me just tumble on all those for me. No, but you see me love when all those tumble on for me because guess what? Me a hammer, me a nail. Me a hammer and nail. So when you all those tumble on for me, me just go so bang, 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 and fix it up back. Remember me I come from poverty ground, you know. Remember me I come from whitewash. Remember me I come from zinc and board fence and board that. So when me know how to deal with all things, so when you come, I go bang, bang, bang with this amount here. You know, my God, you know, Auntie family clearance for me, you know, because I make my motor mix me, but I mix me up, my God. Big up on you say, Miss Donna. Miss Donna. Miss Donna.
Boy.
And before I go,
you man a comedian, you know.
I'm going to say it, you know, because next thing I'm going to say, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to hear it. How can you get in touch with me? You have to go to Prophet Divine. Right now, I share cut it. If you want your reading and you want your cleansing and you want your breakthrough, right now you have to go to Prophet.
Let's up people, big up on yourself, man. So this are the reader man now, people. Reader man. You understand the RT boss. And honestly, viewers and subscribers, a video sent to me. You understand? Me decide to do a reaction towards it. What you go and what you say. I don't have nothing to say about Miss Donna. Reader man, whatever. Reader said this or so that, because you see the attack them when them turn for me sometime, people. Them turn my own attack for me. And right now, to the pan sap them Sabbath. Me no want that right now. Me no the vibes that are mood if you get no attack. So what me want to say viewers and subscribers is, you understand? Me leave everybody right now to them one judgment. Who no want attack reader man, himself put a little emoji on it, so at least when you know he get that or something there. So me no know people, but in the end, that's how him say him read, you understand. As me say, me no want to say nothing too much. You say NEWLINK, you say this, NEWLINK, you say that. So for now, people, me rest my case pertaining to that. You understand? I do have nothing to say. A video sent to me, me decide to do a reaction towards it. Me, you know what I mean? Don't say done. NEWLINK done. No say nothing more. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. More love, more respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. People, you understand? As me say, reader man, so now go drop on an attack. Don't drop no attack to me, because me, no business with whatever, Miss Donna, reader man, where them a reader or nothing. Big up on yourself, people. Be good, be safe out there. Don't know, subscribe, attack.